What's up, YouTube? So today's video is about me decluttering because bitch gotta sell clothes online because I'm broke and I'm trying to make more videos, and sometimes I struggle with making videos because I'm like, I feel like this is gonna be boring, but people like decluttering videos, so I'm gonna try. I've never done one before, and I'm gonna sell my clothes online, kind of like if some of you remember I had like Depop shop back in the day. Like I think like when COVID hit, I was making money online, so I decided to do that again. I don't know if I'm gonna do Depop or like something else like 𝐕𝑑𝖆𝖏, or if I look like shit because I'm sick, and of course I'm sick on my day off and I'm like dying, so but I still want to be productive on my one day off, so I'm gonna declutter. And yes, I'm wearing a Blackpink shirt, and no, I'm not sorry. So this is the atrocity that I'm decluttering, I guess, with all my clothes. Literal like 2 fucking things over here, and then I have other clothes too, but I'm just gonna start with this and see where we go. I'm like dying. Unpacking is probably like my least favorite thing in the world to do besides moving to places. So this is how far I got. This is the stuff I have to go through. That's the keep pile, that's the maybe, this is 𝐲𝖊𝖏𝖏, but I'm hoping to do a little better because I'm like really bad with like coming up with like, oh, the sentimental reasons to keep these things, but I really freaking don't. But yeah, let's continue. I had to change my shirt because it was getting too hot. Just wanted to share you guys real quick like some really funny stuff I found. So one a 𝐲𝖊𝖏𝑚𝑜use snapback. What a classic item here. Let me take my hair clip out. Like, yo, this is screaming middle school Sophie, but it's actually funny because I got this hat like not in middle school. Like, brother. Sorry if you hear noise because my rabbit is like destroying my mother's plants over there. You good? Anyway, it's just like a sriracha shirt because I had a sriracha face. This is the ultimate funniest one to me. Anime YouTube censors. And the funny thing about this shirt is that mom got me this. My mother got me this. Now we're on to the second half. I've just been taking photos of some of the clothes. This is the sewing pile that I'll take photos of, but probably not today because I'm shot. That's the total I'm keeping, so fucking rip. Throw out, and then socks and shit. And then these are the maybe pile, which I haven't decided if I'm selling or not. Thanks for watching my lazy decluttering video, guys. And subscribe, like, and comment and share to help the algorithm, since I have been terrible with YouTube's algorithm. Thank you.